We're here at the Rubix Cutting and Machining Product Proving Centre. Now they've opened their doors to their customers today, so let's go see what they've got in store.
So Rubix is the largest industrial distributor of leading brands right across 22 countries with one unique pan-European offering. So we've held the event today so we can make our customers aware of what the product proving facility can do for the customer and also the solutions and the cost savings that it can provide. So the benefit to the customer is no downtime. So we can take away the customer's component or drawing and we can machine the product off-site, and then we can go back to the customer with all the detailed cost savings and all the solutions provided that we have done by proving out off-site. It's really important to us to have this facility so we can physically demonstrate what we are trying to prove to our customers. So we are trying to give them the latest R&D and products to help them be more efficient with their machining. Sometimes it's very difficult for the customer to stop their machines because of downtime. It allows us to take that away, machine it off-site, and go back with all the detailed cost savings and all the performance improvements we can provide to the customer.
Rubix Cutting and Machining provide a non-biased tooling and strategic approach to help deliver cost savings to the end user. And they do this by having a strong portfolio of all of the leading cutting tool brands. And this ultimately provides the customer with the right engineered solution for the right application.
So this is a facility that we created last year. We've run a series of open days, and I'm pleased to say that we're doing our second open day this year, and we're going to be demonstrating a lot of new products which are innovative new tools that are going to be launched to the market early next year. So at Matrix we're involved in process control for customers, CAD/CAM programming, tooling strategies, producing turnkey packages, fixturing work, basically anything involved in servicing the engineering industry. Typically we've just looked at the component, which is a full 5-axis machining project for a customer. We've been on site for the last 2 months. We've developed the fixturing work with them. We've programmed the component, we've proved out the process now, and that's now gone to inspection for clarification. Then once that's done, the parts will be going live.
We've integrated with Matrix for many years. They're our main tooling supplier, and it's been very successful because of the experience of these guys. Has helped us with jobs that are quite complicated in geometries where we may not have had the experience. So yeah, we've learned quite heavily on Matrix tooling for the help in the past.
We started a machine shop to make a certain product with 2 machines, and we purchased 3 new machines. I wanted a tooling supplier to provide all the tooling, all the holders, coolant and everything. And Ian from Matrix came and sorted all our problems out. Lots of advice and technical issues. So we've come here today to have a look at some of the suppliers and what else is new. They've been a one-stop shop for us, all the different types of tooling. I can try all different tooling. There's certain makes I wanted to use, certain makes I didn't want to use. So Ian was quite Matrix, were kind enough to let me try all things. And then we've selected different cutters, different makes, for different operations.
Well, we're here at this event today in collaboration with Rubix, which incorporates Matrix, PCS and West Country Tools, who are our preferred partners throughout the UK. Well, the partnership with Matrix itself it works very, very well for us because with them having the PPC centre here and the 3 machines, it gives us the opportunity to showcase our new products and also for them to bring customers down and do demonstrations as well.
My role in Walter is to support our guys and connect them to the headquarters, amongst other things, connected to the headquarters and the resources available to them. And obviously from that, we have a select part of our company that have strong relationships with Matrix, dealing with the end users. and obviously looking at solutions for them. So when we look for the wider solutions, the ones that aren't so obvious, then this is when our headquarters come into play. Well, this is an opportunity for us because we don't have access to machines locally. So this came about and they described what they had in mind, what they were going to do. We were on board with them quite early. It's an opportunity to do, real work really, off-site and non-disruptive. You're not interrupting production, which is always a concern with customers. But then you can get into some of the more extreme things that you like to do and really get the good solutions going. So it's a chance to put your tools on and do it in a way where you're not going to break anything and really push the envelope where you can.
I've learned that the cutters that we use can go a lot further than what we use them for. I've learned that the way that we use them is probably the baseline way of using them, and it's interesting to be able to see what they can do when they're pushed to their limits, and that is really interesting. For some way that I see it every day, being able to see it more than that is very interesting.
The relationship here is that they actually use our software, and it's quite nice really because we don't have to program anything for them because they're good users. So they use the software to obviously show their cutting tools off and for ease of programming. I think one of the most positive things is really that it utilises their tooling and also shows off our software really well. So things they want to do from like 3-axis components to 5-axis to multi-blade, single blades, we can cover the whole area for them, and their tooling's good for it. So it works well for both of us, showing off their tooling, the quality and the quality of the CAD/CAM software.
Rubix Cutting and Machining is a technical division of Rubix UK. So Rubix Cutting and Machining is made up of 3 technical competence centres that cover the UK. So we have Matrix Tooling Services, who are based in East Midlands, where we are now. We have Peter Campbell Sales, who are in Scotland and also cover the North East. And we also have West Country Tools, who are based in Newton Abbot, down in Devon.
And why is it so important to have such a national offering like this?
Because it supports the UK Rubix offering of our national offering and pan-European offering to our customers. So no matter where you are based in the UK, we can give you the same technical support, service, solutions and brands right across the UK.